how to create a text overlay in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to click on the create option from here, and you just have to select a pixel you want to edit your file at. So after that, you just have to simply click on the elements from here, and you have to search for letters. And after searching for letters, as you can see, there is the frame section, and we can see the images integrated into the words. So we'll just have to select images from here, and let's say we'll just have to add the images onto the letters. So for that, we'll just use this image, and you can set the image like this one, and then you just have to select another text here. So let's say this is the text I want to add, and this is also the text I want to add. So after that, you just have to select and upload the image as you're liking, and then you just again have to drag and drop the image from here. Then you just have to align the text, and then you can just make it as you're liking, as you can see from here. So that's how you can create a text overlay on Canva. So thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one, guys.